Why notifications distract and overwhelm?
Constant notifications from smartphones, computers, and other devices can disrupt concentration and trigger anxiety. Every beep, buzz, or pop-up pulls your attention away, making it harder to relax or stay productive. By understanding the impact of digital interruptions, you can make mindful choices to reclaim your focus and boost your sense of calm.
Assess your notification needs.
Start by noticing which notifications you actually need. Essential alerts, like calls or texts from family, may stay on, while social media, news, or app promotions can often be silenced. Reflect on what truly requires your immediate attention, so you keep only the most important notifications active.
How to silence notifications on your phone.
Go to your phone's settings and look for the notifications menu. Here you can toggle off notifications for distracting apps, adjust how alerts appear, or set your device to Do Not Disturb during focus times. These settings put you in control and help create a more peaceful digital environment.
Managing desktop and browser alerts.
Desktop notifications and browser pop-ups can be just as distracting as your phone. Check settings in commonly used apps like email or messaging programs. For browsers, open notification preferences and block or mute unnecessary sites. Regularly review these settings to keep your workspace calm and free of interruptions.
Benefits of a quieter digital space.
Silencing notifications gives your mind space to focus and recover. Reduced interruptions can lower stress, support deep work, and help you feel more present in each moment. Over time, you may notice greater productivity and a calmer, more mindful outlook, making it easier to enjoy both work and relaxation.